So guys, it's just after 8, I think it is. 8 AM obviously. A bit misty this morning, but the wind's down, so we're going to give this a RC Era C189 MD500 that I painted in the Welsh scheme for my partner. She loves this heli and we're Welsh obviously, so let's see what happens. I always gyro calibrate twice. I think it's an OCD thing. Let's just have a little bimble. It's only a short flight, guys. There's the red light. You can just about see it. I know. Right, it's a lovely heli this. It's took a lot of dialing in, but she's just beautiful. I love the MDs. Bell 222's my favourite. Then the MD500, Bell 206, and the Airbus H145 now, after getting that one the other day. Absolutely stunning bit of kit, that. The front headlight will blink because it is a flashing LED. It's designed to do that. Doesn't stay on, but let's say it's just a replacement. As I said last night, I don't fly in the don't fly at night. She's just beautiful. She's so well balanced now. She's just a gorgeous helicopter to fly. Look at her just dance there. So gorgeous. Right guys, we're going to put her down. Let's bring her in for a landing. So that's a C189 from RC era. Have a great day guys, take care.